Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, just a quick one today. So, hit my Walmart this afternoon, and J-Case has hit my area. But, of course, I was not there until in the afternoon, so, of course, I was late. Because, there was some stuff on the pigs. And then in that pain in the butt type of dump bin, that metal one that has the, you don't know what I'm probably talking about. The not so fun one to dig through. But that was filled up, but everything's all nicely stacked in there, so clearly it had been gone through. But I did find this over there on the little pig section above the bin, which this is all I picked up today. It was just this. That's all I got. The Honda MotoCompo new casting for this year, 2025. Hot Wheels Moto 3 of 5. But which is something I didn't think I would actually grab, but looking through here, it does have a little kickstand on there, so that kind of was, I was like, oh, okay. And actually seeing it in person, it actually does look pretty cool. So, anyways, a little info on the back here. And I already got we're going to open this up. I already got the back of this little dirtied up already. Dream bikes and two-wheel favorites as part of the Moto series. Born 1981, Japan. Of course, Honda. Ready to swap 4 wheels to 2. Pop the trunk open and zip around on the MotoCompo, folding motorcycle designed to fit in the back of a Honda City. When it debuted, so at the time this motorcycle came out in 81, trunk bike was the smallest scooter ever built by Honda. So, yeah, now we're just gonna pop this little guy open. Alright, okay. This is actually, it's got a little weight to it. Kind of hard to tell inside of the package. It does have a little bit of weight. So this is, I think even this red part here is even metal as well. And this is metal up here, the handlebars, metal. This is pretty much full metal with the exception of of course, the wheels. So yeah, it's actually quite nice. Of course, MotoCompo, Honda, and got the Hot Wheels logo on the back there. I do like the tires on this. The tires are cool. Got a headlight up on the front there. A little like mud flap there. And this side is just MotoCompo Honda, so no Hot Wheels logo on this side. It's only on the one side. Of course, this is the chain right here, so the chain would be. Yeah, and then the fact that it has a little kickstand, kind of nice. So we can do this, we can stand it up. So that is a bonus. Like when the little Hot Wheels motorcycles have the little kickstand on there, so you can set it up and display it. So it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. I actually like this. And yeah, awesome. It's actually a pretty cool little casting. Honda MotoCompo. Awesome. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Just a quick little opening of one car. But I wanted to put something out, so Honda MotoCompo from the J-Case. Guys, good luck to y'all out there, and see you on the next one. Bye.